students, welcome to the class today, and today I will be telling you about a very interesting concept of mathematics, that is simple and compound interest. Now first of all, you all must know what is the meaning of interest. Interest means some amount, or you can say some extra amount that you have to pay to be paid on a given amount. I'll give you a simple example for this. For example, you wanted rupees 15,000 from someone. Now, if that person is not your friend or family, obviously they are going to give you these 15,000 with some extra charge. So, what they do is they give you 15,000 for 1 year, but at rate of 2% simple interest. So now simply what they are doing is, here 3 things have to be remembered: principal, rate and time. These are the 3 most important things that you need to remember. Principal means the amount that you've taken, that is around 15,000. Rate means the rate at which the amount was given to you, that is 2%, and time is 1 year. So to calculate this, you need to follow the given formulas. Now, here I told you about simple interest. So if we talk about simple interest, here the interest will be calculated with a simple formula, that is P into R into T upon 100. So now simply if you put the value here, P is 15,000, R is 2 and T time is 1 year. You divide it by 100 and when you cut it, it becomes 2000, 2 5 is 10, 300. So rupees 300 is the interest, is the simple interest that you have to pay. But this is only the extra amount, the interest that you have to pay. Now if someone asks you that if you've taken 15,000 at 2% for 1 year, how much total amount you will pay? That is, what will be the simple interest amount that you will pay? So then the formula becomes P plus P into R into T upon 100. So now I'll tell you how to solve this. First, P is given 15,000 plus 15,000 into R into T upon 100. Now one thing, it should be very clear to you that you cannot cut this 100 with this 15,000 because a sign of plus is being given in between. So simply what you have to do is, 0 will be cut with these 2 zeros and it will become 15,000 plus 300. So the total amount that you will have to pay back to the person is 15,300. So simply interest will be taken out with the formula of P into R into T upon 100, and if they ask you what is the amount that you are going to pay, then the formula will be P plus P into R into T upon 100. Now students, I have got a question for you all. First of all, read the question. A person invests rupees 8,000 at 5% per annum for some years at a simple interest. So the first thing that we've got is our principal amount, which is around rupees 8,000 and a rate of 5%. But you can see in this question that no time is given. So time you have to take out. But one important line is written, if he received 10% of the sum as interest. Now, interest, simple interest is here 10% of sum. That means the 10% of the principal amount. So now if we solve this question, we are simply going to first of all write the formula, that is simple interest is equals to P into R into T upon 100. As it is not mentioned about the amount, it's only the simple interest, so we'll be using the formula of simple interest. But before that we need to take out the simple interest. Simple interest here is 10% of principal amount, that is 8,000. So it is 10 upon 100 multiplied by 8,000. So zeros will be cut and it becomes around 800. So now we've got everything. P is 15, P is 8,000, time is not given, so we take it as X, rate given is 5%, and simple interest is around 800. So now we are going to put this in the formula. 800 is equals to 8,000 into 5 into X upon 100. So we'll cut these zeros. Now it becomes 800 is equals to 80 into 5 into X. Now because here 5 and 80 is being multiplied with X and we have to take out the value of X. So X will become 800 divided by the term which is multiplied with X on the side of equal to. When it goes to the other side of equal to, it gets divided. So it becomes 80 upon 5. So we are going to cut it. 5 and the 5, 5 to the 10. So here the time is 2 years.